VanMass just sent us their latest car mount system for phones on your dashboard, vents, or windshield. We're going to be installing it on the windshield first. This is what it looks like. This is the little suction cup. That also is suction cup, but sticky, which is really cool. And this is where you're going to have your arm and install your phone. So let me show you how it works. Let's install it right here. So let's do that. I've already clean the glass with the provided wipes. They provide you with a wet wipe and a dry wipe. And there you go. Now all I have to do is boop, and it's perfectly set up. So this is the next part right here. And we are going to, this is the coolest thing. Look at this little thing. Padded. I love the pad, so it's not going to scratch your phone. One press of a button in the back opens it up. So obviously any type of phone, any type of width, you're going to have no problems in there. And then you just have to squeeze your phone into it. It's pretty cool. So let's install it. First things first, you have to twist that off. And we are going to install this first, just like that, right? This first like that. And we're going to push this one in. And then I can easily, it's fun when you can't see it. There you go. Boom. So right now, phone is in, but it looks loose, right? So all I need to do is figure out what position I want my phone to be in, lock that in on the base, lock that in on the extended arm right here. Just like that, we're going to lock it in properly. Boom. And then here, of course, I can lock it in as well by just twisting this knob. Look at that. It looks fantastic, and it will withstand any kind of bumping and driving that you're going to be doing. Perfect. This is the kind of like visual that I need. Of course, like I said, this can be installed on vents, on any car vent, and straight on the dashboard, depending on what kind of dashboard you want and what kind of visual you want. So some people prefer the dashboard, some people prefer the vent. And notice the really nice blue design right here, blue pads and the blue back like that. It's really, really nice. And it will protect my phone every single time. Look at that. It's awesome. Looks great.